Hi Maverick users! In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can pull in options data directly into your Google Sheets using the Maverick add-on. To get started, we head to the Add-ons menu, select Maverick and the Sheets menu item. Next, select Create Options Data Sheet. Here, you will be provided with a pop-up asking you to enter the symbol of the holding we are requesting options data for. So, in this example, I'd like to see the options chain for Tesla, so I'll enter the stock code TSLA. And there you have it. We can now see a full options chain for Tesla. We recommend making use of the filter options within Sheets to sort your options by your preferred view. For example, you might want to see only options that are in the money. We would simply do that by the following.